Alright people, Big Ed here, working on the 82 Ironhead Sportster, the 1000cc. As you can tell, I just pulled the engine out. Got it setting up over here. I'm going to clean it up a little bit and then I'm either going to leave it on that little roll around table or I'm going to put it up here and work on it. That's the jugs. That's the heads and the rocker boxes. Not a lot of room in this little tiny shed. This is a 10 by 20. It's cramped, but I want to take the frame out tomorrow outside and wash all the grease and grime and the swing arm also and clean up my mess. I'm gonna be doing a new generator. That one's, it might work, but it's pretty toasted looking. So I'm going to do a new generator, I'm going to do a new starter, all the electrical stuff, coil, plug wires, voltage regulator, all that's going to be new stuff. I still want to dive a little bit deeper, look at this a little bit more, clean it up a bit and examine it a little bit better. This right here was full of grease. I did notice I'm going to have to get a new bracket right here. There's a little crack right next to that bolt right there. I saw on eBay you can get them for about 40 bucks. Which ain't too bad. This thing's a mess though. Pistons don't look too bad. I don't really know how to tell if they're good or not, so I gotta do a little bit more research. Looks pretty clean in here. The whole motor is filthy on the outside, but internal stuff looks fairly new. I know I was getting ready to pull this cover off, this cam cover, and that rotor was real good. The rotor was in real good shape. Almost looks new, or fairly new. I don't know if anybody, I don't think anybody's ever messed with this motor. These look, they don't have any markings that I could tell, but I don't think they're oversized pistons or anything. But tomorrow I'm gonna, if I have time, I gotta go to the heart doctor, and I've got to take my mother to her doctor. And then Wednesday I gotta go to the doctor. And Friday I'm gonna be taking a Gypsy over to Daytona. I'm gonna go to the swap meet and maybe a bike show or something. Anyways, just wanted to let y'all know where I'm at right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out. Peace out.